Hey y'all, this is Kinah with SweetGemLife. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing the August 2021 Planything subscription box. It is titled Autumn Mood. As y'all can see, things are starting to wind down for the fall. Thank God. So if you're interested in seeing what's in here, stay tuned. Okay y'all, so here is the menu card. On the back it does say, "Hi, thank you for purchasing the Autumn Mood Planything box. This box includes one sticker book with 30 sheets, 2 regular washi tapes, 1 pen, and 1 pouch." Here for all of these fall autumn colors. I'm going to sit that up there. Let's get this thing bust open. Alright. Ooh. Here we go. So, as you can see, the first thing to roll out is this pen. Definitely giving all of the autumn vibes. We've got our rose gold hardware with the orange crystals in it. It is a ballpoint pen and does have Planything inscribed here on the handle. Come on, focus. So that's the pen. And then we have these 2 washi tapes. Let me go ahead and get them opened and we can see what it's looking like. Got this second one. There. So they are both 15mm tapes. This one has what looks like a mocha colored background. With the pumpkins and the leaves and the acorns and all of the fall things. And then the second one has what looks like the same mocha colored background, but this one is floral. So let's go ahead and pop this one open. Oh y'all, that's pretty. Look at that. Yes, and I'm loving those pops of the darker color in there. So you guys, these are the 2 washi tapes that came in this month's box. Next guys, we have another pouch. As you can see, we've got the leaves, the pumpkins, the acorns on a canvas with that cream colored background, gold hardware. And that is the inside. So it's a decent sized pouch. It's probably the same size as the pouch from last month, or from June I should say. The only difference is the pouch from June, I believe, had silver hardware. It did. Silver hardware. And now we've got gold. So you can switch it up every little once in a while. You can change the pouch that you keep your planner goodies in on the go. So this is the pouch. And then last but not least, this is what y'all want to see. Y'all, this sticker book is heavy. Goodness, I was not expecting that. So let's go ahead and get this open. And it does say Planything Autumn Florals and Pumpkins, 610 stickers, 30 sticker sheets. Goodness. So let's go ahead and flip through this. Ooh, that's how she coming, y'all. So first sheet is the clear glossy stickers with the featured florals in this month's box. And then we got another sheet of clear gloss stickers. They're just smaller florals, bigger, smaller. And then we have our floral bouquets. This is clear gloss. We've got some more bouquets here, clear gloss. And then we are to the matte sticker paper. So y'all, these are absolutely beautiful. Look at this color. Do y'all see this? This is absolutely beautiful, y'all. I cannot wait to get into this sticker book. And then we have these pumpkins. Y'all, look at these pumpkins. They're different. They're not the same orange hayride pumpkins that you see in every other sticker book. And that's what I love, because we are sick of those, okay? Oh. Let me go back. Y'all, this is clear gloss. This is clear gloss. Another sheet of beautiful clear gloss stickers. Another sheet of clear gloss bouquets. And then we go into some more boxes. So it looks like there's pretty much a color scheme, a theme going here. And then we have some more boxes. Wow. This is super pretty. Super pretty. Y'all, look at this. Would y'all look at this? Goodness. Oh, I can imagine. I already know what I'm going to do with that there. Girlfriend, she did this. She really did this sticker book. Oh, here we go. Because it's not fall if you don't have a truck full of gourds and pumpkins, okay? And we have our trees. This is going to make for a pretty landscape spread. We've got our Halloween pumpkins and our ghosts and our bats and our witch's brew. Some spider webs, another sheet of Halloween stickers. And then we have some Halloween boxes. And then we go into our mushrooms, our fall leaves and the like. Some more paper stickers with the leaves and the acorns. And then we go into another set of florals. I'm missing a page. Ooh, those floral bouquets. And then we have our boxes and our circles. Oh, y'all, look at these pumpkins. So pretty, so pretty. We've got the biggers. Some more bouquets. And some more boxes. These are really pretty. So, y'all, this is the sticker book. Baby girl, you did this. This was beautiful. So y'all, this is the August 2021 Planything subscription kit titled Autumn Mood. If you are interested in seeing more videos like this, like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel, turn on your notifications, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.